You've been frustrated for more than 20 years now, working on this 911 countywide improvement project. Can you see some light at the end of the tunnel?
I'm always optimistic. I've always been the eternal optimist, or I wouldn't have been doing this as long as I have. The things just need to align. When we finally get people together, then we don't have money. When we get money, we don't have people together. We're getting very close to having all of that, I think. So I think it's moving in the right direction.
And are the politics of the situation getting resolved or not?
Well, you know, it's encouraging. If you look around this room, it's all Republicans and Democrats. This isn't any, I couldn't even tell you what happened when Mara in the room. So I don't think really politics is the issue. It's the turf wars.
The turf wars, right. How about the Canton situation? Any movement on that?
Well, the chief just told me as he was walking out, he was going back to meet with the director, and they're going to see where this goes. But he felt optimistic that what we were looking for with being allowed to dispatch using the 800 system would be okay. So hopefully that'll work.
Okay, thank you.
All right.